See, I am saying what really Panjim requires, that we should take as a priority. You know, I think what they are taking now is nothing to do with Panjim and nothing to do with priorities. We have there are three major issues as far as Panjim is concerned. One is the thing, Santinez Nala is very important. The parking is the second issue, and third thing is the garbage. These are the three issues which we need to basically focus, and we are focusing on that issue.
Smart city
now, smart city. See how you can be smart when your city is dirty. Okay, the infrastructure first should be created. When infrastructure also only is crumbling, so what smart you want to see? And some fellow from Madhya Pradesh, some Chaudhary is going to tell us what Panjim requires. There are no people of Panjim. People of Panjim are not educated. There are engineers, top engineers, architects from Panjim. Why their support was not taken? They know what is Panjim and they know what is required for Panjim. Not some Chaudhary is going to decide.
Chaudhary
that's let CM decide. But I am just trying to say no Chaudhary is going to decide what Panjim requires. His people of Panjim are going to decide what Panjim requires.
So all professionals from Panjim will be empaneled into your smart city for?
See, I feel whatever suggestions should be given. We can take their expertise. Okay, we can take their expertise, and I am saying everyone should come together basically what Panjim really requires. Focus on that, and that should be taken as priority.
Smart city चे लिस्टरची कामं आपण ती एकदम रिव्ह्यू करपाक जाय.
Definitely 100% it will be reviewed.
तुम्ही खयची
I don't see whatever is proposed on a smart city, they are not helping the people of Panjim in any way. And what was going to happen to smart city after 2 years? It is nothing. There will be nothing that is called a smart city after that, because there will be no offices, nothing. Because this is government doing work for 5 years. And then what they want to do, they want to hand over this white elephant to the CCP. First of all, CCP is already starving for as far as funds are concerned. And this you all are going to decide without concurrence of, without the support of the involvement of CCP, and you are going to hand over